Because it's a vlog time. Welcome back. Yo, I haven't been on this camera for a while. I forgot how I started the video. Jeez.
Welcome back to Soai Vlogs, where
welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you, but we always smile. Yeah, you don't know, I've been chilling for a bit. You see me, last week I didn't put out any vlogs because I just didn't feel like to edit and thing. But today, right now, we're at some form of casting for a yogurt ad. You see me, so I'm really here for Judah's support team.
bruh.
But you don't know, you see me, hopefully I might get a part of the ad, I don't know. But you see me, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna take you guys here, of course.
We auditioning as a family, my niggas.
You see me, I'm in love with yogurt still. You don't know me, I'm a big yogurt fan. So hopefully them take me on brand ambassador me. You see me? I'm joking, but quick update guys. Like one thing that kind of took me out of the mood of vlogging too, like the other day, like we got a thing where it said like I would lose monetization on the channel until we get to 1,000 subscribers. So anyone who's thinking of going into YouTube, it has just gotten a little bit harder. Yeah, because before it was just like having 100 subscribers and then having 10,000 views on the channel, then you'll be good. You can start making money. But now it's at 1,000 subscribers and then getting to I think it was like 4,000 watch time minutes or something in the previous year or whatever, or in this current year, whatever it is. But we're close to 1,000, not quite there. I mean, I didn't post any videos last week and I still got some more subscribers, so so that kind of made me feel a little way. Like I was like, god damn. But I have until February 20th to get to 1,000. But I'm sure by the end of February or so I should be at 1,000. So but that's the pre right now. Catch you guys in the next scene.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
Wait, Judah's talking to me. Well, I'm so upset, guys. This guy on his bike just now. He literally turned around and was watching my girl. Like, I'd be happy if he was walking on some Yeezys. Then I'd be.
Wait, let me see. Can't take more. Vroom vroom. My baby,
No.
I was just
So like, I literally turned on the camera not to tell you about that story. Really, I turned it on to kind of show you guys like, yo, how beautiful today is. Cause like it's been raining like crazy.
It's so beautiful.
Like legit in Jamaica right now, it's been raining like every single day, but today is a nice day out. So we can actually wash my underwear them. I hang them out.
These are the family that was here.
Yeah, are you talent? I'm like really talent, guys. I don't even know. This feels like really strange. You know, being in it, even though I vlog and stuff, feels kind of strange. Anyway. So guys, like I just did my snap just now. Well, the photo was really quick, and I'm number 24. Like, how does this thing work? Like, the whole talent and casting thing. Like, you've done a few of these before. Like, how do people even find out about this?
Talent agencies mainly, but I have links, as you would call them.
I knew she was gonna say that, guys, because she tried to be hype and stuff. But yeah, okay. Continue.
Anyway, so my friend would give me like a one-off call, and then I'll tell my parents if they fit the criteria or the rest of my friends. Then you come, depending on the type of ad. Some people just ask you to introduce your name and tell you about yourself, and that's it. Others, you'd come, say like a tagline of the company or whatever they're trying to promote, and you wait on your call, fingers crossed. Yeah.
Wow, so that's pretty much it. For me, I'm gonna have fun with it because like I'm not this kind of person like to be on an ad or whatever, but it's gonna be fun. Soai vlogs. Guys, yes. we're gonna take a family shot. Oh my gosh.
Yep, it's destiny, it's destiny, it's destiny.
Yeah.
It's part of the family, you know?
Happy footage, please. Happy family. Alright guys, so pretty much just got back from the casting thing. And it it went pretty well, I believe, but I don't really look at those things and judge them, because that's their job, to make you feel as if like you got it and like, oh yeah, you guys are so great, you know. I'm sure they tell everyone else that. So but their feedback, they were saying something like, you know, maybe Judah's dad and mom could like do like a, you know, a parent park, or they're shooting like 4 ads, and they were looking at me and Judah like, yo, I like them, but like they weren't saying to us, but I could hear them talking to each other, and they were saying, talking some like do a fitness couple thing or whatever the case was. But yeah, I don't know if that's gonna work, but I'm not thinking about it. I'm not the person who thinks, especially when it's something that's not in my control. If I can't really manipulate it, then I just put it to the back end. If something great happens, then that's awesome. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat some food real quick.
All I am is a man.